Innovation must accelerate to make this a better planet. We need to discover and enable solutions faster, to be connected seamlessly, and build a sustainable and digital future. With dedicated deployments of the most powerful private 5G networks, NTT is pushing the edge not to the limit, but to the limitless, bringing the cloud to edge in factories, critical infrastructure, farms, city blocks, healthcare, and our schools. NTT's P5G platform and edge compute streamline real-time decision-making and tracking to near-zero latency and blazing speeds. Critical processes and automation on a factory floor can be monitored and adjusted as machines and materials move in concert through the factory. Secure P5G allows us to continually monitor hundreds of thousands of disparate events simultaneously, from parts on the assembly line to workers wearing safety equipment, ensuring your attack surface has the intelligence you need. By using machine vision and AI, we spot problems before they become obstacles. Private network to public network handover and coverage are seamless and secure to ensure your products are tracked and delivered at all times. From giant solutions for global enterprises to unique ones for new businesses, edge computing on NTT's P5G platform makes the complex amazingly simple. We move your cloud to edge so you maintain your edge. Simple, scalable, fast, and secure. We innovate with purpose because the future is coming fast.